Hey, what's up everybody? Today is a new day, just power work, and I'm about to go meet up with some of the boys. What's up boys? Oh, Saleh. How's his wheels? So what you get for us, Jimmy?
Nothing.
You think they're ready for this?
No.
What you guys think? You think they're ready for this or what?
Think you're ready for this?
I'm gonna let Jimmy do the honors. This is his wheels. Oh fuck, that's it. I already told him.
Bro, I seen him.
Today, Junior. Oh shit.
I never watched it.
Wow. You guys taught. You're gonna have to wait for next week's video for you.
Like, cut him off as soon as you pull that thing off.
Just black screen Sopranos, yeah.
Not the clickbait, huh?
Oh, fuck me up.
Oh,
This is chrome.
Bro, that looked mean on that, I'll tell you that.
Damn. What is this, 3-piece?
2-piece. Hey, touch him.
I don't know, but what you guys think about these wheels? I think those fuckers are dope. Well, you happy now, yeah?
Fuck yeah.
So the stock wheels are gonna be coming off this thing pretty soon. And throw them on the Bronco.
Yeah.
Oh, this thing is going up too pretty soon. Yeah, how much inches you gonna lift this fucker?
6-inch lift. I'll give it 6 inches.
Sunday, it's a 6-inch lift.
All suspension.
All suspension.
Bodies.
It's the cleanest Bronco on this island, by the way. Yeah. I think Rex is gonna come too.
Oh, boy. I thought he was gonna die in the freeway.
Lightning McQueen ass. He don't know about all this until I edit the video, so. Rex, it's okay, we love you, bro.
I look old as fuck.
Look gay as fuck.
Bro, we gotta go in here.
Gonna ride him with this, no curbs.
Oh, what is that? Like when rim protector? You better use that when Tristan come around. He like giving rim jobs, that's why. Oh, speaking of McQueen.
Oh,
dang.
Ka-chow! Straight out of Radiator Springs.
Look, how do you feel about getting roasted already?
bro, you're like the only one who doesn't have their fucking license. It's been like
It doesn't matter.
I don't have my license.
Why are you in the fucking vlog?
I'm making 90,000 a year after I finish school. Suck
Bro,
my dick.
you're not making
What you
shit.
doing? Making rice patties in the rice field?
I just got it.
Damn.
Hey, Roger, Jesus guys. Your car's red. Jimmy called it already, so.
It's Jared.
Oh, what's up, Oos?
Oh, you're getting roasted right off the bat.
Hey, it's all good, bro. It's all good.
Go ahead and take a shot right next to those cars.
Oh, that's slammed on right there.
That's slammed on.
That's not even slammed.
That is slammed.
Okay, I'll go play it. Tristan.
No, like,
Hey, yeah,
no,
your
like,
tire
really,
is
your
like
front tire looks flat, like dead
bro.
ass. Go look.
Is this flat?
No, like dead ass.
Bro, get out the car and look at it. Oh,
Like no joke.
yeah, rollers.
The front left.
And then look who else shows up. Yes, bless her.
Put Aaron in when I get home.
So, you're not gonna shake my hand, Roger.
Oh, my bad.
What's up, President?
Like this.
I ain't no prez.
Look at you. Look at this. Look at this.
What? How am I president? I'm missing one center cap. That's disgusting. And 2 lugs. Look, I'm running 3 lugs on that.
It's okay. Look at that fitment. I can fit my dick in there, but like. But it's all good though.
Hi, Caitlin. Get her. Weirdo.
Wait,
Let me see your reaction.
Oh, he said,
damn.
oh, shit. You have like the nicest car in the group now. Once you put that shit on.
No. Never.
Oh yeah.
Yakking.
Piece of advice: do not get a red car.
Yeah, I do not.
Why?
Who's a fucking idiot gets a fucking red car?
Wow, Caitlin got a red car.
Well, hers is like faded red, so now I'm playing a game and playing.
Damn.
I'm playing.
You're mental.
Let them kids be able to get it and snowboard at a young age.
Hey Jimmy, too pretty boy. You're fucking afraid to get your hands dirty. That's why.
Oh, man. You look dirty.
You live in Baja,
At least I don't want fucking
You're from the Marshall
red
Islands.
car.
Your teens still know it's going.
Pretty soon we're gonna have to call Colmena for
Bro,
that.
show them the sunshade. This is what me and Jimmy's gonna split for Rex right here.
That's fucked up. I already know what it is. I can't even look at the goddamn fucking thing.
How much is it? That fuck is $31.
That's fucked up.
What, bro? It matches your car.
You're getting me the fucking
The Lightning McQueen sunshade.
That's fucked up. That's fucked up.
Ka-chow. Speed. I am speed.
My car's slow, so why are you gonna give me something that helps it look fast?
That's right. These guys always argue.
It's all good. You just came back.
He's out here with a motherfucking boyfriend.
Nah, shit.
No.
Now you got two.
Holy crap. Oh, she seen me.
He crosses it out. Yeah, you fucking crosses it out.
Holy crap, gang. As you can see, we got a wild kite then.
You wanna be a participant?
We're not 12 years old.
Am I fucking talking to you, Jimmy?
I don't care.
If you don't care, then face the other fucking way.
No, get your red car out of this fucking place.
I'm fucking alright.
Your toe is black, not you.
Okay, what is going on over here?
I'm just trying to fucking show my friend a card trick, and you want to be a fucking killjoy.
Yeah, I do.
Fucking Grinch.
Huh?
Because I'm trying to show my good friend here a fucking. Well, Tristan cares. Tristan, don't you care? I'm gonna show you this magic.
Okay, let's go. Hurry up.
Okay, see, I'm not doing.
We're all in it for the get barbecue at the park.
Okay, pick a card. Okay, I'm not gonna look at it. Show it the camera. Look over here, okay?
CC9. Oh, 9.
You got it? Yeah. Okay.
You kind of said it out loud. I'm pretty sure he heard it. He's gonna act like he never heard it.
It's whatever. I'm not even gonna look at it, but.
Wait, look, I forgot.
You remember?
I remember.
Yeah, you remember. Okay. A little bit windy, but fuck it, whatever.
Bro, I just gotta fly this thing and be sticking out his
Bro, watch
ass.
the card.
It was a 9 of hearts, by the way.
You ruined the fucking trick. I don't even want to do it.
Okay, do it again.
Okay, fuck.
That's fucked up. I was like,
You said you forgot.
As long as someone remembers. Fuck.
I remembered, Rex. Okay, take 2.
Okay, don't show me. Okay.
You remember it this time?
yo.
God, what high school did you graduate from?
The same one you did, dumbass.
Fuck my bad.
The Tata squat and all.
And the Tata
Don't point at my toes, you fucking.
I'm not.
Don't for you.
Okay, don't tell me what it is, but tell me which row is it in. Is it this one, or this one?
Middle.
Middle.
It
was in the middle last time.
Weird.
With a
Okay.
swift of the toe, I found your home.
Smell like a double. I wonder if I can do it.
Watch when I get the card, huh? Watch.
You're a phony. A big fat phony.
Yeah, tell me which row is it. Is it this one, or this one?
That one.
The middle? Okay.
Bro, this guy's.
How long is this jerk going on for?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, on a count of 3, this is gonna be the card, so, you know, obviously don't got fucking sleeves, but do you remember what your card is?
Yeah.
What is your card before I flip it?
I don't know, 5 clovers or some shit like that.
5 o'clock. Oh.
I don't know what you call that, clubs?
What is
I don't
it?
play cards, dog.
So what is it?
It's like literally the 5 clover one.
504 leaf clovers.
Okay.
Should I look up?
Just get your mind freak ass the fuck out of here. You could probably looked at the cards when I was looking away.
The fucking camera was on me, so how the fuck?
You ain't get your
Turn off.
boy.
You're wasting.
Hey, if you ain't get your salted peanut toes the fuck out of here. Look at those.
Mostly mind controlling these bugs.
This.
Tristan, you're wasting the fucking film.
You're wasting your toes' life.
I wish this fucking came with like a sticker or something.
I'm hungry. You not hungry?
I'm being home down like that.
You guys hungry?
A little bit.
Go eat some ass.
There he goes again.
I was Vex's toes and he walks to the bathroom in the morning. Like when he walks, it doesn't go like this. It just goes like that every time he walks. He like you know when Dex would laboratory how his legs move so fast like this. So does his toes when he walks.
Mr. Krabs.
Oh, Mr. Krabs, yo.
And Mr. Krabs is red.
Just like his car. Ka-chow.
Damn. Okay, we're going home. Everybody's power chilling already. Pretty tired.